This video was recorded this January in a rural area of New Caledonia. New Caledonia is a small island in the Pacific and is quite isolated. As you can see, the video shows two bright lights traveling across the sky together until they disappear. The disappearance might just be them changing direction and speeding away, or possibly it's advanced alien technology allowing them to become invisible. Could they have alien technology that allows them to sense when they're being filmed and then decided to disappear? Maybe they're just drones and their lights were turned off, who knows? That's what makes UFO videos very intriguing. Thanks to the UFO All-Stars team and our sources, we were able to get access to this video. It's unfortunate because it seems like there's an effort to keep UFO sightings and videos secret. But truth seekers at every level are fighting to get the information out to the public. The reason for secrecy might be that they want these videos kept behind closed doors until they confirm their legitimacy. Also, organizations buy these videos and put copyright claims on them so they can have exclusive rights to the footage. This also makes it hard for it to reach a large audience. There are far more sightings and videos, and I'm talking in the tens of thousands that never make it to the mass media. All of us at UFO All-Stars keep a healthy amount of skepticism when we look at sightings and take a more analytical mindset, as we want to expose the truth. There are some very spectacular UFO videos out there that are genuinely mind-boggling, like the Jerusalem video, but I think the ones that look too over the top could be hoaxes. Also, lights in the sky doesn't automatically mean that it's aliens from another world. So, like I said before, the lights in this New Caledonian sighting could just be caused by a variety of aircraft or drones, but to me the weird part is that they're traveling together and then that disappearance at the end. This video is a very interesting start to 2021, but make sure to keep an open mind, both ways. If you enjoy alien and UFO content, please subscribe to UFO All-Stars and help us get this information out to the masses. UFO All-Stars has a team of their own and we're working hard behind the scenes to get our hands on copyrighted and hidden UFO videos. There's much more to come.